So, good evening, everyone. This is Swati from Pharma State. I am CEO Pharma State, and we have online platform Pharma State Academy for online learnings and live sessions with the senior professionals of pharma industry. I have also with me Dr. Satish Gupta, Chief Operating Officer, Pharma State, and today's session is on the second topic of the positivity series that we started this month in July. The first was about the opening up from the lockdown. And the second is about theory of productivity in sales and marketing professionals, especially targeting medical representatives and first line managers. So I hope you will like this series. You would gain through this series because we have alternate Saturdays and Sundays on the same throughout the July month. Most of you must be knowing about Mahendra S. Bishop, sir, and but still I would introduce him with few lines. One of the most active people who are active in the field of training, learning, and development for pharma sales and marketing. More than 35 years of experience and more than 7 years in trainings and learning and development. He has a passion of helping and supporting pharma professionals through their total journey of a professional career and also helping pharma companies make gains in the industry, help them through their strategy. So this session will go on. First of all, Mahendra sir will present on the topic theory of productivity. Then we can take up few questions from the chat that comes up. And we are also live on Facebook and YouTube today. So maybe a few questions may be picked up from there also and asked. And after that, we will have an open forum discussion for the people who have joined in, and we can take direct question and answers. So over to you, Mahendra, or please start the session. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Dr. Swati, and good evening to all the participants in today's meeting. And this is the second webinar of this positivity series. Friends, as we interacted in the last webinar, and in the last webinar, the subject was open up from lockdown. In fact, let us understand why I chose this topic to speak about open up from lockdown, because I could see there's a lot of fear, lot of misunderstanding was there, and people were having a lot of stress to understand that what will happen in this lockdown, what has happened to the industry, what will happen, what is going to happen in the market, what is going to happen our jobs. All these kind of questions were there. If you ideally look into, this is one problem what is being faced globally. It's not like that only India is facing, or only your state or district is facing, or only your local territory is facing. It's a global problem. Now it depends on us that how we look at the problem, whether we look at the problem as a problem and try to find out the solution for that, or we look at the problem with magnifying glass. So that was the reason I thought, okay, let us interact and speak up about this positivity. And that's what I said. Let's open up from lockdown. And that was the first webinar about positivity. When I attended this subject, open up from lockdown, the positivity series, the first webinar, the purpose was to interact with my medical representative friends who are having lot of misunderstanding, confusion, and all this type of things in their mind कि क्या होगा, क्या नहीं होगा, whether company will continue our jobs or not, whether headquarters will be closed or not, all these kind of things. But for that, you must have gone through many of the reports and all, as the peak is over for pharmaceutical industry. And this is one non-recessing industry, as you will have to understand very clearly. Till the time human race is available, the industry is going to survive. And industry is going to grow also. Not because that diseases are increasing, because the health consciousness is increasing. And for that, the industry is available to provide the solutions to the people, to the sick people, as well as to the healthy people also. You know, you are watching nowadays that lifestyle ailments are very common nowadays, and regularly new kind of problems like hypertension in young age, diabetes in young age. All these kind of ailments are there, and this industry stands to help such kind of people and to make them enjoy their life. So, with these words, let us straightway go to the presentation, what we started. Uh, and as my habit is there, I always start in continuation. And when I start in continuation, I would like to start from where we left last time. I think you all are able to see my side. Dr. Swati is there, the screen share.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes, it's clear. Yes.
So we discussed about the positivity series, and the positivity is required not only to you and me, it is required to whole world because the whole world is suffering from this problem. Now, I discussed with you that instead of focusing all these things, what is happening here, there, and all, because एक बड़ी पुरानी कहावत है कि मौत से ज्यादा मौत का डर होता है. So most of the time the problem is not coming to us, but we hear something from some other colleague, from some other person that this has happened, company has done like this, company has done that to me, and then we go into fear. So what I'm saying that this is what is the problem in around the world, and we have to attend this consciously with lot of courage, understanding, and planning. So that's why I said that we need positivity, and let us look into our world in this problem, and our world is pharmaceutical industry. Now when we look into pharmaceutical industry, I took with you in my last presentation what is positivity. It's very simple, friends. Positivity is focus on optimism, and positivity is hopefulness and confidence about the future or success. And if you have these two simple understanding, it can change your facial expressions from this to a smile. So this is where I would like to take you for a revisit so that we continue our learning, whatever we were having in our last meeting. And when it's positivity, it always depends on mindset. And what is mindset? Mindset is mental attitude that determines how you will interpret and respond to the situations. And that only will decide whether you will be happy attending the problems, planning something to attend that, or you will be having the problem of stress. Now, there are two types of mindset I discussed with you. Fixed mindset, where your mindset is locked, you have certain ideas, assumptions, and you behave as per that. And the growth mindset, where you have such kind of problems, but you have a key also to attend that. Now, from there, when we look into that, how to change this mindset, that how to develop a growth mindset, then there are some requirements, and with those requirements, there are certain achievements also with this to change the mindset. What are those? I discussed with you. You need knowledge to assess the situation, to assess the person, anything to assess, you need a knowledge. If you have a knowledge, then only you have an empowerment to assess the situation, to assess the person, anything to assess, you need knowledge. And you need understanding. Why you need understanding? You need understanding to perform. In any situation, only with the help of knowledge, you can assess, but you cannot perform. To perform, you need proper understanding, in-depth knowledge. जिसे surface knowledge कहते हैं, उससे काम नहीं चलेगा. You must have in-depth knowledge. Then only you can go for implementation and you can perform. And then there's a delivery. And delivery is required to grow. And as I have shared with you, we are in the profession of performance. And by being in the profession of performance, we have to perform every day, every hour. And with that, for that, we require delivery. And with delivery, we grow also. Now, these all I discussed in our last webinar when we were discussing positivity. Friends, when I further stress with the positivity, the stress is the problem. Stress is the situation Stress is your body's reaction to a challenge or demand. And now, today, the demand is there, the challenge is there in front of us, and so we are stressed. And that I was regularly saying that last time also and this time also, that I was mainly focusing to our medical representative friends. Why this stress is there? Because whenever there is a outcome of unmatched functions or results of expectation, whenever there is a mismatch, you want to do some functions, you are unable to do those functions, and the results are not there, you have stress. Whenever you have the expectation for results, you don't get those results, you have stress. So that is the reason of stress. Then not finding a way out from the situation is also adds up to your stress. Correct? And then the best way to avoid stress are, once again, knowledge, understanding, and then produce results. So this is what we discussed in our last interaction. I am once again taking you for this tour so that once again, when you start understanding this, we will be in a better position to understand again that today's session is dedicated to productivity. And when it is productivity, today's session will be mainly focused on medical representative as well as our friends who are working in the industry as a first line manager. So let us come back to our word, that is pharmaceutical industry. And I shared with you the segments of the pharmaceutical industry. And if you see the pyramid, it goes as market, products, people, system, and vision. Then along with this pyramid, when we saw hierarchy, the hierarchy system available is medical representative, first line manager, second line manager, third line manager, and national manager. And this is my firm belief that these five are the segments and these five are the hierarchies. Anything is extension. You may be senior regional sales manager, you may be senior zonal sales manager, you may be senior area sales manager, but you are area sales manager. You are a first line manager. You may be a senior medical representative, but you are a medical representative. And this hierarchy and segment, when we see, we combine and we look into productivity, which is nowadays is a big challenge in front of all of us, then the responsibility lies on everyone in this pyramid of hierarchy, starting from medical representative to national sales manager, national managers, not sorry, national sales manager, any manager who is looking after the affairs nationally, starting from first line manager, second line manager, third line manager, and then national managers, maybe vice president, maybe general manager, maybe sales controller, whatever position you see, when he is holding the responsibility at national level, then the responsibility lies on everyone to get the productivity for the organization. And this is the part of responsibility which I discussed with you last time and gave an example also of a family. That what is there in the family? In family, it's a responsibility of everyone, every family member, to keep the family happy and healthy. But at the same time, the role, the accountability of husband in the family is different. The role and accountability of wife is different. And this way, if we try to understand the accountability with these segments and the hierarchy, it goes like this. As far as market is concerned, medical representatives are accountable for market activities, for market coverage, for market product promotion. Everything goes with medical representative. As far as first line managers are concerned, products are their accountability. Products performance, products billing, all these things, products prescription, products conversion, all is the accountability of our first line manager friends. When it comes to people, all kind of people involved, maybe internal, in-house people, companies people, maybe external people like our customers, doctors, chemists, the stockists, CFAs. This all is the accountability of second line manager. Then systems. Whenever it comes to systems, implementation of system, fine tuning of systems, and finding out the ways to produce productivity from those systems, it's a accountability of third line manager. And then it goes up, and For national managers, there is accountability of vision to give the direction to the organization and to take towards that direction. So, what is the difference between accountability and responsibility? That this all will be contributing for the productivity, for the performance of the organization, but their area of operations, their accountability will be different at different hierarchy level. And this is what I'm taking you the slide once again for a better understanding, which will help you throughout your life when you are serving to this industry. So from here, when we move forward, understanding that responsibility is common, but accountability is individual at that particular position, we will see that accountability always have expectation. And when it's an expectation, how to deliver, that is the question we have to attend once again at the level of medical representative, the delivery part, what I discussed with you earlier. And friends, as far as market is concerned, I shared with you its accountability of medical representative. And what he does coverage and product promotion. What for? For the generation of prescription. And this is how he delivers his accountability. This is how he contributes to the organization. Now, with this understanding, friends, when you further look into to generate the prescription, there are 5 essentials which I discussed with you in length in my last introduction. These 5 essentials are day's work plan, RCPA, doctor's call preparation, inputs utilization, and closing call. And these 5 essentials are very much important. And what I believe, whatever time actively I invested in pharmaceutical industry, I believe any one of this is missing, then it's a problem. If these 5 essential steps are not followed by medical representative friends, then the activity will be without productivity. And instead prescription, frustration will be generated and which will add to your stress. And what we are discussing today, we are discussing how to be positive, how to remain stress free, and how to ensure the productivity. So from here, when we move forward, let us look into productivity. And productivity, friends, the problem is always look into in terms of volume sales generation and target achievements only. But is it the real meaning of productivity? Do you think this is only the meaning of productivity? Do you think this only you have to do? By hook or crook, generate the volume sales? By hook or crook, achieve the targets? There are various kind of activities going on in the industry because various kind of companies, various kind of leaderships are available in the industry. And there are so many good things are also happening, so many bad things are also happening, so many malpractices are also available. And you know all, I don't think I should repeat it. Starting from the adjustment to the adjustment of the hard cash, people sharing their part of salary, all these kind of activities are going on, which are the real ugly activities just because we are focusing on volume sales generation and target achievements. But friends, let us look into further deeply. If you look into productivity, we are missing one very important component of productivity, that is activity. We are more focused on productivity. We are absolutely cool, comfortable till 27, 28, 29 of the month. Because the productivity, the ghost of productivity will appear only on 29th and 30th when we have to match numbers, when somehow we have to deliver the numbers, when somehow we have to match the targets. And then our morning, afternoon, evening, 3 times visits start to the stockist, all kind of activities, all phone calls to superior, all kind of help and support, all these things start. And the problem is that productivity is understood as volume sales generation and target achievements. And we are not paying attention to the most important component which gives us productivity, that is activity. With this understanding, when we move forward, you will find there were three situations of activity and productivity. One, there will be productivity without activity. Are you getting my point? Nothing new. You all know very well. Many of the times, many of the headquarters with many of the people, this miracle is available. Productivity without activity. Then the situation is activity without productivity. That is also very common. Everybody is stressful. Medical representative is stressful. First line manager is stressful. Second line manager is stressful. All kind of speculations. What has happened? Whether we have taken a wrong person? What is the problem? So many discussions. But the solution is not coming up. And the situation is activity without productivity. And then there is a situation where activity with productivity. And I will say this is the ideal situation which we must try to attain. That activity and that activity is generating productivity. Then you have a total control on your market and your customers. You can really generate the demand and manage the business. And that is what is the situation. The third, and I will say the required situation, activity with productivity. Friends, let us further look into these three situations. There is pocket sales tactics. There are some MRs, even some companies. I will not blame MRs because MRs go as per the directions, as per the logics, and as per the guidance given. Pocket sales tactics, which starts well, but afterwards it becomes a pain. In pocket sales tactics, you know what I mean to say. You have few pockets who generate sales for you. And what we discussed earlier in my one of the webinar is transaction marketing. In such situations, MR is happy, FLM is pleased, rather all the managers are pleased, and company is suffering. May not suffer in the first, second, third month, but afterward company is suffering. Why? Because the demand keeps on increasing and increasing and increasing from the pockets. So this is, I say, pocket sales tactics. It creates lots of problems. It creates unnecessary favorism. It disturbs entire investment planning. It disturbs entire work input, time investment by managers, all kind of things, product mix balance, everything gets disturbed because it's a pocket sales. Whatever is required for the pocket, that has to be made available, and whatever is the cost required, that cost has to be paid. And that is the situation I say, productivity without activity. The life will be easy for the medical representative who are fallen in this kind of tactics. I'm not saying they are fallen. There may be sometimes the directions are given and the initiatives are taken by the company itself. So MR happy, FLM, all other managers also, but mainly FLM I will say, because today's webinar I will be focusing to first time manager. Pleased, he goes, he enjoys his time, some few calls here and there because काम भी करना है, काम भी करके दिखाना है, दो चार chemist से मिले, but pockets are there, they are producing and companies suffering in long run. Then the situation is field work tactics. This situation are also quite common, where MR is happy, first line manager is clueless, and company is suffering. What is field work tactics? You are working. Without any planning, you are working. Without any direction, you are working. Without any guidance, you are working in the field. Whenever there is a question, why there is no productivity, sir, what should I do? I am following all the policies. I am promoting the product as per guidance. What else I can do? So, field work tactics. And these are the situations when there is a big role of first line manager. And if first line manager is clueless, this situation can never be changed, can never be taken care of. And who is the sufferer? The company is the sufferer. And this is called field work tactics. And that tactics, I say, activity without productivity. Many of our friends and many of the victims, I will say, in this corona period, who are really creating a fear in your minds, they are facing whatever is today because of this attitude and this tactics. Are you getting my point? And then comes the situation where work input tactics is there. And what is work input tactics? That MR is enjoying the work. What kind of work? The work with the day's work planning, the work with RCPA, the work with doctor's call preparation, the work with input utilization, and the work with closing the call effectively. So MR enjoying the work because he's making work input tactics. Meaningful efforts are there to produce business. First line manager enjoying the visit. Whenever first line manager goes to such territories which are under control of such kind of medical administrative friends, he also enjoys the visit. Enjoys means it's not like that he just goes and relaxes. He also enjoys, he also has something to learn, he also has something to add, because such kind of people are growth mindset people. The people, they are ready to change. The people, they are ready to find out the solutions. And along with MR and managers, company also enjoying the performance. And this is what is the situation, I will say, activity with productivity. So I think now it's clear to you the three situations what I discussed with you for productivity. Now, friend, to have this situation, activity with productivity, you must know your customers. And who are your customers? Your customers are doctors, your customers are chemists, and your customers are stockists. But friends, I have one point to share with you. How many of you understand that your doctors, chemists, and stockists all are equally important for your generation of business? In particular, when you go for this tactics of meaningful efforts, activity with productivity. What happens most of the time, we pay attention to doctors and we believe that chemists are not all that important. We don't give them that kind of mileage. And a stockist, oh, they will be visited need based only. We don't think that even a stockist can be a source of information, can be a source of feedback to us. So our entire field work revolves around the doctors, despite knowing that these three are the segments of our customers: doctors, chemists, and stockists, and all three are equally important. And if that is there, then neither your day's work plan works, nor your RCPA works, nor your doctor's call preparation works, nor your inputs utilization works, and nor closing the call works. Why it happens? It happens because you don't know how to select a product for a doctor. You have gone for productivity, full marks. You got ready Valentine, you picked up your bag, you have cleaned also, polished also your bag, you added few things in terms of inputs, visual aid, promotional material your bag, but you don't know how to select a product for a doctor. You don't know how to design a communication for a doctor. You don't know how to decide the direction of a call. Every time you are going, you are opening the pages, turning the pages, saying few lines. After few visits, doctor starts saying, okay, brand name please. You don't know how to anticipate the quantum of prescription. You are not aware. You are unable to evaluate the contribution of a customer or the potential of a customer. You don't know how to gauge the potential. You don't know how to know the returns of work input, whatever time, whatever visits has been invested by you. You don't know how to gauge the results, how to find out the returns of your work input, and you don't know how to find out the profile of a doctor. If you know the profile, it becomes easy for you to approach for product promotion and productivity. And you don't know the pulse of the market. So many gray areas are there. And why this is, friend? This is because of one reason, that we are not paying that much of attention to retail chemists. This has been my personal experience, friends. Till the time I worked up to the level of country head, I never missed chemist call before a doctor's call. And believe me, it works. It's a trusted formula in pharmaceutical industry. So when this is the situation, friend, the problem is only one, that chemist, that is called retailer, is ignored. It is ignored by the owner of the territory, that is MR, and it is also ignored by the visitor of the territory, that is first line manager. In particular, I will say first line manager, because he is having better and more number of opportunities to look into that part of improvement and to make corrections for productivity. And from here, first line manager comes in picture, for which my today's session is focused on medical representative as well as first line manager. So once again, coming back to our word, that is pharmaceutical industry, when we look into the segment, that is market, product, people, system, and vision, and vis-a-vis the hierarchy available, medical rep, first line manager, second line manager, third line manager, and national managers, responsibility area, the all segment, and all hierarchies responsible for productivity and the accountability. Once again, we clearly find that the products is the accountability area of first line manager. And now first line manager has to enter in the scene, and he has to look into that what changes he can make and what contribution he can make and what guidance he can do for productivity. Friends, first line managers must understand productivity means for them is product and activity, because your accountability area is product. And mind it, higher you go in the hierarchy, don't think that you are responsible for only for this narrow segment. From market you move to product, so market is your area of accountability, but along with that, product becomes your focus of accountability. And when focus is product in terms of your accountability, you have to add up activity, otherwise products are not going to do anything, because products are not having any life. Product, the way you will treat them, the same way they will behave, the same way they will respond. You don't promote, they will be lying some corner. You start promoting, they will start moving. You stop promoting in between, they will once again be dead. They will be dying, getting expired in the chemist cell, or most of the time at a stockist level. That also happens. I could notice during my tenure with many of the good managers. Why? Because the productivity was considered only volume generation and target achievements, and the products were not focused. And that's why I say, I request to my first line manager friends that please pay attention to productivity in terms of product plus activity. And with this understanding, when we move forward to attain products and activity, the manager must know his customers. As what I discussed earlier with you when I was addressing my medical rep friends, that the customers are available as doctors, chemists, and stockists. But now when it comes to managers, manager must know his customers. Those are internal customers and external customers. Now there are two layers of customer has come in picture. And I believe you all know, but I will repeat once again for your benefit. What are internal customers? The customers existing in my own company system, my medical representative. We will have to believe this fact that they are our customers. The first customer of a first time manager is his medical representative only. And then comes his external customer, that is doctor, retailer, and the stockist. However, here the sequence will change in terms of his activities focus, that he will have to pay attention starting from stockist, retailer, and doctor. How come? I'll explain to you in the coming slides. So manager must know his customers, that is internal customers and external customers. And friends, if manager knows the customers for productivity, the advantage is he is absolutely clear what to do and what to get done. If he's having this clarity of two layer of customers, he knows very clearly, authentically, he is having a game plan that what I have to do as an individual and what I have to get it done from my team member. And who is the team member? The medical representative, the stockist, and his identified set of customer, that is doctors and retailers. And in case manager doesn't know the customers, then what happens? Then manager keep purchasing instead selling. This is what is a situation which I say helpless situation, helpless managers. As a manager, as a first line manager, you are the spokesperson of the entire management system of the organization. Anything to get communicated till the end point, company is totally relying on you. You have to go for selling the point of view of the organization, whether it's a policy, whether it's a strategy, whether it's a promotional plan, whether it's a campaign, whatever it is, you have to go and do it with your internal customers first. But if you don't know who are your customers, you straightway jump to the external customers. You don't know the process of business for productivity. So instead of selling, what happens? You start purchasing. Medical rep stands and says to you, I told you this will not happen. See, he has not listened to the detailing. See, the retailer has not kept the goods. All these kinds of problems start. So what happens? Instead having the responsibility to carry these points to sell to his internal customer, he comes back with a load of unwanted purchase. And he empties his bag in front of his superior. And this scenario, this situation is not very uncommon, friends. It was there and it is still there. If the managers are not getting developed for the understanding of their customers' understanding, and that leads to roles reversals. You go to a territory, then you are a follower, and your medical representative is a leader. What should have happened? As per the system of the organization, you should have led, you should have given the directions, and accordingly, the work would have been performed for better productivity, for better activity. But that is not happening because you are not having the clarity. Instead of selling, you are purchasing the point of views, and then there are role reversals. And what are the managers' role reversals? When they are unprepared and unprepared for productivity as well as activity. They don't know when they visit to any territory, they go unprepared. They don't go with any kind of homework. They don't do any homework to know what is the level of productivity, what is the trend of productivity, what is the potential of productivity, and what is the trend of activity, and what is the actual activity happening in the territory. And when this kind of things are there, whenever you visit anywhere unprepared, there has to be a role reversal only. It further gets stressed. How? Let us see in terms of productivity, what are the role reversals? That instead selling the plans, the manager purchase the plans. And one biggest example which managers face every month, I would like to share with you. The moment you receive a call from your superior, as a first line manager, you receive a call from second line manager, okay, what is your budget? What is your plan for the month? The first thing it is misunderstood that this is what is my budget, and if he is asking plan, I have got the liberty to give plan lesser than the budget. The first thing. Whereas the communication in between meaning is that whatever is there in terms of deficits earlier, what are your plans? Are you having some plans to cover up those? But no, we take it as per our convenience and we understand, okay, boss is asking what is the budget, what is plan. It means I have a liberty to give plan lesser than the budget. First thing, first misunderstanding. And then As I told you, we are not prepared for productivity. We have not made any plan for our team. I have not made any plan for me, for myself as a first line manager. So what I do, I immediately make lightning call to my all five medical representative friends and say, हाँ भाई कितना करोगे? Please let me know how much you are going to do this month. And this is a very common scenario, friends. I think it happens more than 70-75% companies. I think I'm saying a less number only. So that is where I say, instead of selling the plans of productivity, you purchase the plans of productivity. And then bargain starts. Then the problems in IR starts. Then the backbiting starts. Because you start telling to your boss what to do. He doesn't listen. He will listen when you initiate the communication. No, the communication for business and for productivity is started from him. He only told you that this much will be done, and you are clueless. You are clueless. What productivity potential is available in the territory? What chances, what opportunities are available for productivity in the territory? So you are unable to sell any point of view. So you purchase the plans, and you have to. There is no way out, and that is what I say. Managers role reversals to attain productivity. Then further, when I say activity with productivity, for activity also, let us see what are the managers' role reversals. Instead of your own plans of activity, what you do, you depend on MR's plan of activity. Many managers, friends, if not you, you must have seen someone or other. You must have seen they will get down from train and they want the rep has to be waiting at the station itself. From there, they will land to his motorcycle, they will do the work, and by 2:33 they want to finish up the doctor's call. Doctor's call, mind it. Whenever communication is there, you try to overhear. It's doctor call. Fatafat karo ya, fatafat karo. Let us do 10. Let us do 12 doctors call. Lot of pressure, yeah. They are demanding lot. Yes, sir. Please sit. Without seeing anything, medical representative has taken you on a conducted tour, and now he is showing you in the conducted tour. Sir, this is Taj Mahal. Yeah. Good Taj Mahal. Good. Sir, this is Charminar. Oh, good, wonderful. Good. Sir, this is Qutub Minar. Yes, sir. What a height. Everything you are looking from his eyes. Is it not a role reversal, friend? Because you have landed to the territory without any plan of activity. You have not identified that what are the productivity plans you can contribute, and for that what activity you have to contribute. You are absolutely clueless that what you have to do and what you have to get it done. So then entire formula of that five essentials get failed, because the medical representative, the fellow who is junior to you, he understands these all 5 points are waste, because nobody is looking into that. The only thing is asked at the end of the month that numbers, whether you have done your target or not, or whether you have done more than last month or not. If not that, even try to accommodate whether you have done more than last year or not. Somehow, some point to convince for productivity. And that is where the roles reversals take place. You don't have anything to contribute in terms of activity. You don't have any understanding, any analysis for your activity objective, that these products are not moving. These products, I have to make some contribution. I have to identify some customers for these. With the days work plan made by medical representative, I have to check for these products how many cost customers, doctors, retailers has been planned. And on the top of it, suppose it's a 3 days visit, third day only stock is visited. My dear friend, as a first time manager, where you will do the market potential audit, you will do that at a stockist only with the document called stock and sales statement. If you have the stock and sales statement of last month and you have seen whether you are visiting on 10th or 20th to the territory, you can see the movement trend and you can find it out whether it's in growth path or it is declining. That gives you an idea to move forward and find out your activity fine tuning. But before that, when you are going to a territory, you must be clear what contribution you have to make in terms of activity and in terms of productivity. And that's what I say managers roles reversal. Well, friends, then productivity in terms of product activity has to be attended by first time manager in terms of customer conversions. Please try to understand very judicially, clearly, in simple, plain words. If you are a first line manager and if you are simply visiting to the territories of your medical representative, you are devaluating yourself, you are devaluating in the eyes of medical representative as a system that you will just come, be a pillion rider, invest some time, and then go back. Because they are unable to find out any value addition in the productivity, and the value addition for productivity has to come from your side in terms of customer conversion only. And for that, lot of homework is required whenever you visit a territory. Whenever you plan a territory, you have to find out what is the potential available and opportunities available, and what are the chances available to contribute directly, and what are the chances available to guide for the enhancement of productivity. And that is what I say activity with productivity. So, first time manager friends of mine, please understand they have to contribute in terms of customer conversions. They have to find out which are the products. I'm simply saying that many of our friends will not find that what are the focus products of the organization, what are the campaigns running, what are the rules for the campaigns. Please try to understand. And since we are not absolutely clear in terms of customer product match, customer product identification, whether he is a potential customer for me or he is a supporting customer for me, and that's why they are finding very difficult in such a tight situation where field work is having so many of restrictions. Are you getting my point? So that is where I say in terms of productivity, the contribution has to come from first line manager friends, that is customer conversion for the identified products which are having the potential and opportunities. And that is what will be the performance and the progress of the territory. Mind it, the progress of your medical representative and the progress of his territory will be the progress of your own. Whenever you have to come in limelight, you will come in limelight because of the performing territories of yours, not because of you are traveling so much, not because of that you are writing so many of the communications, letters and all, not because of that you have a bunch of identified problems with every one of your team member. That will not be the thing which will be appreciated. For productivity, you have to have your contribution in terms of customer conversion for the products after identification of the opportunity and potential. So friends, please understand that when we go for productivity, it's a learning, it's not a lesson. And what is the difference between learning and lesson? The lesson may be independent, the lesson may be individual. You read it and then you shut it. But learning is a continuous process. And that is why I say productivity is a learning which is a continuous process. You handle there, you accommodate there, you establish there, the other corner goes out of the hand. You go there, you consolidate there, then here's the problem. All these kind of activities you have to keep doing. These are the regular, non-stop activities, and that's why I say productivity is always a learning. If you go with this way, you learn a lot. And friends, for learning and performance, to ensure this in a regular basis, our second line management level comes in picture to ensure the relativity, which I will be attending with you people in my next webinar. As I told you, in this set of 4 webinars, I will be attending up to the level of second line manager. So friends, this is all about what I wanted to share with you, the theory of productivity. And the roles, the accountability, and the contribution required from medical representatives and first line managers. So, with that, I would like to hand it over to Dr. Satish, and I will welcome in case of anything which I could not clarify to you or you need a further better clarification. Dr. Satish, to you.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. It was really a elaborative presentation, and a lot of practical things were discussed by you.
Good.
So there are few queries that has been put in the chat box, and also a few are the comments. So I'll
Sure.
read those comments and queries so
Good.
that you can answer and satisfy the person who has asked the
Right.
question. So first of all, there is Mr. Jagan Bedi who is
Mm-hmm.
with us today, and he is saying that people choose shortcuts
Mm-hmm.
shortcuts instead of generating prescriptions. Till 24th of the month, zero sales, and at the month and it is 110% suddenly. So how is this happening? In your experience of such a long career, have you seen these type of things?
Friends, it is always everywhere it is available. And let me share with you, we keep on talking of big companies, multinational companies, and all that. They have more of such kind of problems. As you rightly said, the people do it. See, I'm not bothered what people do. I'm always concerned what I do. Every company, every multinational, you must have seen they are having one or two main products which contribute not less than 50%, 60%. Nowadays, the product mix has improved a little bit, but earlier when we were working as a medical consultant, this was there. So it used to happen. And if you want to understand it better, there are three courses available that know your customers, know your doctor, more than that, know your chemist and know your stockist. And the people are available. If you go to find out one good stockist to a point in a market, you will find it very difficult because you will find all kind of promising kind of businessmen, traders are sitting in the market. And you rightly said, up to 24th, 25th, there is no business. And then all of a sudden, 110%. And everybody gets involved in that. There are some overdue bills are signed for the billing, permission is taken, personal note is given. I will personally look into, find it out. I will see to this payment is coming and all that. All these kind of things are there. And that is what I say the situation that productivity without activity. And for this situation, only medical representative is not responsible. He is having a person to help him, guide him, supervise him, and manage the situation and give it to him in terms of understanding and at the level of implementation. And that is what is happening. So why not to attend it? I'm sure my friend is working at the level of manager. Am I right? Can he come live, Dr. Satish?
Just a sec. I'll...
Yeah, I would request Mr. Jagan Bedi because he has interacted a lot in the chat section also. So few comments from him, few things that he wanted to say. Mr. Jagan Bedi,
Yeah, Mr.
please
Jagan,
join
can
us
you
in this
come and
discussion.
you can directly interact? That will be better instead of me reading the.
Thank you for unmuting me. Sir, I want to tell you, sir, because of the pressure, the area sales manager's post is a sandwich post. You better know. So sometimes area sales managers working like a senior representative. Because they are underlined medical representative not responding, they are connecting directly to their our supervisor.
You are
So
not audible, Mr. Jagat. Kindly adjust your audio system. You are not audible now. Up to
just
I could hear up to that area says measure sandwich. After that, I could not hear what you are saying.
sir, yes. Can you listen me?
Now it is better.
It is better, sir. Thank you. Sir, I want to tell you that in this situation, I'm not talking about the pandemic, COVID-19 situation, but overall, I'm talking about, as you know, area sales managers post is sandwich post. Okay. and the the people of downline of area sales manager and the supervisor of area sales managers, okay, they both are now in today's scenario are connected. They are total medical representative feelings like I will talk directly to my boss of boss. Okay, so they are connected, and the area sales managers are looking like what I can say the words. I don't find the words for it. Uh, so, but means both are connected. They are not responding to area sales manager. If the area sales manager asks about the sales and about the basis of the company strategy of the company, and asking about the coverage, call average, and it's coming all on the basics. They are reacting, and the sort of medical representative in today's scenario that they are unionized. All are unionized. Okay, and some action were taken by the area sales manager. They go to the union, they ban their working. So the level of stress of area sales manager is too high, too high. So in this situation, what should we do? I'm a regional sales manager in Dr. Reddy's Limited, sir. Okay, and I have an experience of 17 years. The problem I these all problems I faced earlier. So I am talking about to you. What is your experience and what should sales managers and other manager should do? Over to you, sir.
Okay. My dear friend, the first thing I have seen that nowadays many of the first line managers are having issues when the medical representative is talking to his superior, that is a second line manager. First of all, I don't see any harm in that. This is my opinion and my value. Because if you are doing the things as per your required jurisdiction, as per the authority you have been given, and as per the directions, policies of the company, there is nothing wrong. There is nothing to hide. And there is nothing he can talk. And yes, now you are working as a second line manager, and I have shared with you the pyramids in terms of people. And I have shared with you, if you have paid attention to those figures, that the accountability for people is regional sales manager, correct? So as per the system in the industry, regional sales manager is the shoulder available for the team where they can go and share their all the things. And then only there has to be someone who will listen to them. That's how you gel the team and you make the team and you build up the team for performance. Number one. Number two, friends, that most of the time we do the things, but we don't do at the right time. We ask for the call average coverage, but when? After the month is over. And even when the month is over, if somebody has performed, we don't ask to him. We ask to the person who could not do the budgets, could not deliver as per the numbers projected by. Is it right, you tell me? The whole month activity is going to produce the business at the end of the month. Now the time has changed. Now, earlier it used to be that when we were working, even 2 months outstanding used to taken as a okay, chalta hai. But nowadays that working capital management is a big problem. And being a regional sales manager, I will say I always regard regional sales manager a big person because he has to perform that total team in that particular region, and he only will make the difference. Many companies I have seen, the companies are not doing well, but under few regional sales managers the company is performing very well. So you are the leader, you are the captain of the ship. Now if we have a plan available, suppose a company, suppose you are having some territories where the business comes only on 29th and 30th, you make a plan for a weekly business. But the moment if I suggest, I have seen this because I am associated with few companies. When I say, they immediately register. नहीं sir, business आता ही last में है. जब last में आएगा तो where is the room available? How to accommodate? अरे बाबा, you start, you initiate the activity, no? Now how to go ahead with that? You make weekly plan. You share with the people. You say, friends, okay, that 90% business is coming from 28, 29, 30th. Can we look into that at least 25% business we generate up to 15th of the month? They will also ask the same questions to you. Then you sit with them with the stock and sales statement. Okay, let us see what are the rooms available, what are the product at the borderline case where we can liquidate and generate some prescription, additional demand, and we will get some order. Okay, I'm coming to your territory. Let me find out who are the doctors. This product got stuck up. Let me plan with you. You will do one thing. You will find out who are the prescribers. This you have to open up. You have to have a plan of action, and your subordinate has to accept you, a manager, a superior, not because of your visiting card, because of your activities, because of your communication. That is the way I have lived my life. Are you getting my point? The question is to initiate, and we ourselves create resistance. You ask your area sales manager, they say, "What are you talking, sir? The entire business is out of 5 lakh, he has done 4 lakh 50,000 on 30th, and you are saying go for weekly business." Believe my word, if you study the stock and sales statement and go with that, there is still some business lying to be explored in the first week itself. You will find the products where you really work and liquidate, the business stands for you. These all the activities has to be done, but for that, one first time manager has to sit and do the homework. And in case you are having first line managers who are not at present capable of doing that, you will have to guide them. You will have to come down to do the role for them, demonstrate them, and then keep asking the feedback, keep taking the reviews on a weekly basis. You start, the things will change. And I have seen that. I have worked in such a company. I worked Searle, the company where when I got promoted at the age of 27, my youngest medical representative was of 46 years of age. He will always call me A with the name. And even then I worked, I performed, I worked 20 years with the company. It was a lot of problem. Are you getting my point? So you have to find out the ways. There is no way out. Never say no to life. Never say no to your efforts and business. That is the way you have to attain. I think to some extent I could attend your query. Hello?
Okay, sir, I have muted him, sir. So I was thinking to take the next question.
Okay.
Next question is from Vijay Joshi. Vijay, why don't you come live and interact? That will be better, I think. Hearing directly from the horse's mouth. Yeah, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, Vijay, please.
Yes, sir. I asked the question from sir. Sir, if first line manager joined the company having such malpractices in past, how he can tackle and correct the situation?
See, it's a matter of taking initiative. And Vijay, I have interacted you many a times in many of the webinars. I have seen you questioning in other webinars also. Friend, the problem with you is not the prevailing situation. The problem is with you to be or not to be. You are finding difficult to initiate. Let me share with you very clearly. You have to initiate somewhere. देखो अदरवाइज वो क्या होगा ना, आप अपने लिए इतना ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स अपने चारों तरफ देखोगे और देखते देखते आपको प्रॉब्लम बड़ी लगने लगेंगी एंड यू विल फाइंड इट वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कम आउट ऑफ दैट. You have to start somewhere. You have to take a decision. My dear friend, indecision is the biggest crime at our level being a manager. Instead of wrong decision, you take 10 decisions initially, 8 will be wrong, 9 will be wrong, but at least one will be right. And you need to come out of that situation, Vijay. Because let me say you, these all are the situation, whatever you and me discuss, there is no, these all are practical problems and no theoretical solution available for that. Because I told you, marketing is not a precise science. There is no set formula for marketing. The only thing you need to start. When you start doing, you slowly start becoming expert of handling that situation. And that is what you require. You have to take a real decision for yourself and you have to start attending the things. Out of this, what I have discussed with you, if you say all these things I am doing and still the things are not happening, then it's a different issue. Then you and me has to sit. But whatever I discussed with you, you are working as a first time manager. Are these all the things being followed? I don't say these are the entire things. There may be 10 others. There are people in the industry who are more experienced than me. they have got exposure of or further different situations, but you have to take initiative somewhere, Vijay. That is what I will suggest you as a professional. Because what I shared with you, only knowledge is not going to help you for productivity. It's your understanding and then knowledge of what you have to deliver. So you develop the understanding, and with the understanding, you take initiative. What will happen at the most? You will be wrong, you will be failed, nothing more than that, no? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you have to start somewhere. Yeah, Dr. Satish.
Yeah. So
Sir, my
Okay. Yeah, please.
sir, what is the meaning of purchase the plan? Is the second line equally responsible for sales and productivity? On
If second line is not ready for that, he is also equally responsible. Because let me share, you should have as a manager very clear understanding. It took for me 1 year, and in the second year of
the
my
voice is
first
not
line
clear, sir.
leadership, I was absolutely clear. Hello, Dr. Satish, can you hear me?
yeah, it's fine on my
He
side
says,
actually. So
see, let me say you that we as a manager do a mistake. If somebody asks what is your target, then we start summing up the target of my team members. That is not the way I have lived my life. I was always knowing that this is what is my target, and this is how I will get it done through the resources available for me. That is in terms of medical representative, in terms of my identified customers, that is doctors, stockists, chemists. That is the way I have lived my life. So it's a matter of perception. And that is what is the difference between fixed mindset and growth mindset. So you will have to change your perception. Why you are concerned about whether your second line manager is wrong or right? You will always be rewarded or reprimanded for what you will do, not for what your second line manager will do. Are you getting my point? Yeah, Dr. Satish.
yeah, Vijay, any more questions do you have?
Sir, Dinesh,
He is unable to hear me. Some problem was there.
There is network problem, I think, from his
Yeah, he
side.
was saying that it is
Okay.
different.
Yeah. So do we have more questions?
Dinesh from Chennai, sir.
Welcome.
Sir, in my team, one of the senior most MR is there, sir. So, but, how to get the productivity from the senior MR, sir?
See, that's what I'm saying. No, you always jump for productivity. You first tell me what is his activity. Is he delivering as per the required norms of the organization as far as activity is concerned?
He is not giving the productivity, sir. Actually,
I'm talking activity. I'm not talking productivity. Productivity is the outcome of activity. Is he doing the activities as per the norms of the organization?
As per the norms, sir. But whenever I ask, he will follow, sir. Otherwise, he will not do the regular basis, sir. For example, one activity for 1 hour.
And how frequently you follow?
Every day, sir. Every day I am following.
That is too much. So what I will request you, as per my understanding, if I were you, instead of following, I will initiate. I will give him action plan for the week. And then next week, I will be ready with the new action plan, and I will take the feedback of the last week. And I will not speak the whole of the week. And I will put all these things in record in writing. Very nice way. Not accusing him, but sharing that this is what is the policy of the organization. This is what is expected from you in terms of activity. Please do these 1, 2, 3, 4 things. Talk on the basis of facts and figures. And Chennai, I have worked. All the stockists are having, any time you ask for the stock and sales statement, they are ready to give you. And nowadays with e-reporting and all, everything is at your fingertips. You talk to him that these 4 products are overstocked. These 3 products have not moved in the week. You please work on these products and please give me your plan that which are the doctors you will be focusing. Like this, you have to put him back on the trend of the current time requirement. Because nowadays, those days are gone now. Without activity, you cannot survive in the industry. Okay?
Sir, that senior person, sir, whenever we ask, whenever we follow, then only they will be coming and they will be telling. For example, one hospital quotation already given. So I asked, what is the status? He is telling that, okay, that they will tell next week they will place the order. So when next week will come, when I ask, then only he will follow, sir. Otherwise, he will not follow. So
certainly,
that kind
had he
of,
been,
that kind of
my dear friend, my dear friend, don't get worried. Had he been followed, he would have been here as a first line manager. No, he has not followed. That's why he is where he could not make any kind of efforts for his progress. That's why he's there. I had a medical representative of 57 years of age, and at that age, he will take me to the doctor's clinic. And the first call, I realized something. He gave me visual aid in my hand all of a sudden, without telling me outside the clinic which products to be retailed. I wanted to take him to the retailer. First visit of mine to that territory, he was not ready. And I made him retail like anything. I will make only 5 calls. I gave this action plan to my boss. I said, look, I will make only 5 calls in the territory and rest of the time, because he is absolutely zero in communication. And you will not believe, after retirement, as a special case, I created a position for him. He became so productive. So it's a matter of that we are closed. It is not that person is closed. We are closed. You talk to him. You develop better IR. You say to him, friend, if I forget sometime, what will happen? You have to be my strength. Rather, you should guide me. All these kind of things you have to do. Correct? Motivation, motive with action. You have to talk with him. There's only way out with managers is action plan and communication. Action plan and communication. And the best is you give as an initiative rather than a follow. You on Monday itself you push a mail, no, that this is what is I'm supposed to get from you, or I request you to please give me this feedback of this what order was in process. This product is not moving. Not 10 points. Don't create a scene that you are trying to corner him. Absolute actionable plan and the feedback of that. Try this.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Sure.
Thank you.
Okay,
Yeah,
great.
Dr.
Thank you.
Satish.
Any more questions? Because we don't have any question in the chat box. So
No
I'm
problem.
requesting or inviting the participants, attendees to just open up and be vocal and ask. It's a great chance to interact. And if you have any, long time problem that is hindering you from work or productivity, you can just ask. You are connecting with a expert. Yeah. So anyone is having any question?
हेलो
Hello.
Yeah.
हेलो
Yeah.
Yeah.
सर उस समय कनेक्टिविटी की प्रॉब्लम के कारण मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था, वो मेरा क्वेरी अधूरी रह गई थी. एक बार
जी बताइए.
अगेन क्लियर कर दीजिए. मैंने पूछा था व्हाट इज द meaning of purchase, and second line manager is also responsible for productivity and this all, because sometimes, most of the times, second line manager comes and focus on 12 calls rather than productivity and discussing and going to stockist also.
Vijay, you are reasonably senior and experienced in the industry, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
There is one thing called therapeutic window. You know that? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Therapeutic window, you know?
Sir, अभी नहीं ध्यान है मुझे.
Okay. So, okay, you find it out in the product knowledge section. If the company is given, there is something called therapeutic window, and to be effective, you have to remain in that window. If you go above that, you are going to have side effects, and if you are below that, you will not be effective. And my dear friend, you have to work a lot on yourself, because most of the time you have problems related to your subordinate or related to your boss. Whereas this forum, I told that today my presentation is dedicated to medical representative as well as first line managers. If you have any problem, you ask me. This second line manager, what are the issues and all, let them handle. No, if they have, they will come forward, they will find out the solution. Where you are getting affected for that, you tell me. See, most of the time we have queries which are nowhere concerned with us. Sir, regional manager comes, he makes 4 calls only, whereas we are making 12 calls. What you have to do with that? Don't go on that. You let us develop ourselves and our subordinate. Please work on loyalty downward. That is the way I have functioned. The person, your subordinate, he is totally dependent on you. Help him. Have a loyalty downward. Have a loyalty on your subordinate instead of having loyalty to your boss. And the same way, keep an eye on yourself as well as on your subordinate instead of keeping an eye on your boss. That is not going to help, right?
Yes, sir.
You do your job, no? And if the things are not happening, probably there is a mismatch of yours and your boss. Correct or not? So then we will see afterward. But what difference it makes whether he is accountable or not, whether he will do field work or not? These are irrelevant questions, right? Has nothing to do with that. Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
Dr. Satish.
Yeah. So one question is from Mr. Digambar Manjule. It is coming. Sir, in my team, one person productivity is low. His communication is not clear and not effective. What will I do? And he is promoting first visit some product, second visit another product. Okay, this is how he's asking. Okay.
Okay. What is his name? The gentleman who has asked
Mr.
this question?
Mr. Digambar Manjule.
Mr. Digambar, the first thing I will request you, or rather, I would like to know from you: are you convinced with these 5 essentials what I have given to you? I discussed with you.
Yeah, I convince. Yes, sir.
Okay. So do one thing that sometime no this medical representative, because of their understanding, they are unable to find it out that what is going on. That's what I said. Activity without productivity, and you are
Okay.
sharing with me how much stress that poor gentleman must be under. You cannot realize. And
Yes,
second
sir.
thing, I will ask one question to you. You just pick up your last 3 months tour program, or at that time when the lockdown was not there, and see how much time you have invested with that person, because this
Okay.
is the situation where you need to give extra time. Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes, sir. The
So it
focus
is
is not there, sir.
so please
He
you will have
first
to
visit is promoting some product, and then next visit promoting some other product. The focus
but
is not there.
but what I'm saying, no, that can be attended with a game plan.
Yes.
His focus is not there, and at the same time try to find out whether your focus is also missing from him or not. How many medical representative you are having in your team?
Five
Five.
medical representatives.
So are you
Yes.
investing the same five days with every medical representative,
Yes,
or
yes,
you
sir.
are so that is wrong thing, no? Because if some weakness is there, you have to go and give more time investment to him, correct or not?
Yes, yes, sir.
So it may be there must be some good medical representative in your team where you will
Yes.
discuss with him. And when you discuss with him, you will say, friend, I will take some time off from you. Instead of 2 visits or instead of 5 days, I will be investing 3 days only with you. I have a lot of confidence with you. And whatever is the expectation I'm having in terms of activity, productivity, you will take care of all these things. You give him confidence. So he will be standing with you as a support. And then you share with him that I want to invest some time with this person, because this person I'm finding in terms of activity is poor. He needs real help, guidance, and support. So I will be investing time from that. So two way you will be benefited. One way, this person who is having some good strength in terms of business activity and all, he will become your support. Correct or not?
Okay, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
on the other hand, when they meet in between, wherever in the meeting or otherwise, also they are having good network. Medical reps are having good network. They will also understand your intention. Are you getting my point? Because the
Okay.
first thing will happen, the moment you will increase the number of days with that person, he will become conscious. Yeah, are
Okay.
you going to catch him, or what you are going to do? All these kind of things will come to his mind. But when you have already talked this game plan with some of the senior person, mature person, then when they communicate, then he gets relaxed. No, it's a time investment, and my boss really want to develop me. Okay,
Okay.
everything has to be done in terms of a game plan only, right?
Okay, sir. He is in a company from last 7 years, sir. Uh, some prescriber is there prescribing earlier old prescriber, but he is not able to generate a new prescriber, sir.
See, this is where I will try to change your mindset. You don't say
Okay.
he is not able. You say that is because of him I am unable to perform as per my
Yes.
potential. Is it the right
Yes.
sentence?
Yes. Yes, sir.
And if it is your weakness, who will handle it? You only will have to handle it. Correct or
Yes.
not? So
Yes.
you will have to make a game plan. Don't go for all the product. Sit with him. First of all, look into his customer list. Look into the correction, whatever is required. Let me share with you. I took one point in between in my presentation that chemist we just ignore. We don't pay much attention. हम chemist, whenever we go for chemist call, first of all, representative is not ready. Arey sir, I know, please
Yes,
go.
yes, he
But
is
sir,
very poor in chemist also, sir.
correct. So you have to take him there. And most of the time, I have seen many of the managers, don't take it otherwise. When it's a chemist call, at that time, manager will get some phone call, or it will come to his mind that he has to make some phone call. So he'll say, okay, you make. Arey, Baba, that is what is the milestone for you? How can you ignore such an important input? Are you getting my
Sir,
point?
with him, I have met a chemist and I have taken quantification with chemist quantity with correct RCPS. Sir, I have done.
Good. So you have
Uh,
taken first step. Now what
yes,
you do, you record it. In his SVL, in his master list, whatever is there, you write. And you don't load him. You
yes, sir.
have to work with him on the basis of assignment. Don't delegate him. Don't give him
Okay,
a
sir.
bunch of assignment. You give him assignments.
Okay,
That
some
these
small,
are the
small, small.
products, these four
Okay,
products, okay, these 10 doctors, these 5 retailers. Next time when I come, I want that friend, these 10 are prescribing, these 5 retailers are having the product, right?
yes,
Go to stockists, the ways are go to stockists and give me a call from there. I will try to help you out. All these kind of things you have to inculcate a habit, and it is going to be a problem for you if he's a 7-year-old
uh,
person.
I have joint in joint working. I have converted some doctors. The doctors told us I will write this your products. Just
Good,
check availability. Then
good.
I have follow him from 1 week. Last 1 week. After 1 week, I have joined working with same doctor, same
Mm,
guys with same territory.
mm,
Then next time I have asked doctor, sir, last time you told for this product, sir, have you got any opportunity?
mm.
Then doctor told me that I have written your products. Just you see the availability. Some areas it is not available. Patients
Correct,
are calling. This
correct.
the situation, sir.
Friend, I will request you one thing.
Yes.
These 5 courses are available. All 5 what I spoken. I don't know whether
Okay.
you have gone through these courses or not.
Yes,
You
I have
these
gone, sir. Activities there's some first part.
there's a day's work plan is there, then RCP is there, and then doctor call preparation before entering the doctor chamber. See, two
Yeah.
times you have to reinsure it. At the time of making your day's work plan, you have to look into that what are the product you are promoting, what you did in the last visit, and then once again, after the running chemist feedback before entering the doctor chamber. So you invest some time. You are already
Okay.
logged in these 5 courses. You sit with him. You
Okay.
expose him all these courses. You find out which are the points he is missing, which are the points he is not understanding. You have to invest some time and you have to make some extra efforts. Okay,
Yes.
because it is not the problem with him, it is a problem for you. Because of him you are unable to perform as per your potential, correct or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
so take it as a challenge.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Uh,
Thank
okay, thank you.
One more thing, Satish, before starting and after hearing this discussion, a humble request to all the managers who have joined this session, because you people have been through all the courses that are put up for free at Pharmastate Academy. You can also direct your team, the team you have at MR level, to go through these courses. These are free resources currently available. So they may also understand, you can also give back to them in the form of learning and development program, and this one is highly detailed, highly beneficial, as you all must have seen it. So managers out there, do recommend these programs to your teams, to your seniors, superiors, and all. Yeah, please, Satish.
Very
Okay.
good suggestion.
Yeah,
Fantastic.
one more question is there, sir. Like how to manage vacant territory, how to be productive in a vacant territory as an ABM.
Correct. See, friend, this is you picked a very good topic because I would have come after some time on this subject, separate course. See, vacant territory management means if you have worked at the time of the availability of representative with open eyes and ears, then vacant territory management is not difficult for you. If you have identified customers for you who are the confirmed uh, supporters and who are the potential supporters, and if you have the customer product match available with you, if you have the doctor chemist match available with you, then vacant territory management is not at all a problem. Because friend, let us understand one thing, that in a day's work you may make 12 call, 15 call, but the productive call never goes more than 4 or 5, and that too I am saying higher side. Same way, you might be having 200 doctors in the territory or maybe 350 doctors in the territory. The contribution around 75-80% comes from handful number of doctors, the number may vary from 20 to 25. So if you are having those 20, 25 identified customers, and you know the product customer match, means the identified product for these customers, what they are prescribing and what they are having potential to prescribe, and then the prescription where it goes for these doctors, it's very easy to manage a vacant territory. It's not difficult. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, sir, I think this he has written thanks. So I think he has got the answer, and that's all from my side, sir.
One
Maybe I
question.
can
I
just.
think Satish, you
Huh.
missed. I think one question. Mr. Manpreet Arora. Okay, see, he made a comment. Some company are now depending upon trading business.
Mhm.
He named the company. Only require whatever the situation they are in the field. That means the companies are trading. So it is basically a comment here.
May I request him to come online, be live.
Yeah, Mr. Manpreet, if you can come live, have interaction with the Mensa.
Mr. Manpreet, may we have some interactions so that we both can understand better to each other, our views.
Hello, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Some company are now they are more depending on the trading business.
No, some company or your company? Let us be very clear first.
No, my experience remain bad with the company actually.
No, that's why I said no. I started from where? Let us look into our word. Our word is my word with this is pharmaceutical industry. Then further you narrow it down. No, my word. If you are a area sales manager, your territory. If you are a medical representative, your territory. You be careful about your own company. What is happening in the industry? Anywhere you go, all you will get good people also, bad people also, good systems also, bad system also, good practices also, bad. Anywhere you go, you will find same in judiciary, in police services, in army, even everywhere it is there. That's what I'm very specific. Is it the problem in your company? If that is there, I will attend that way. Otherwise, we will simply debating and discussing. We both will not gain anything. So if it is a problem with your company, please tell me. Then I will be helpful for you.
Yes, sir. This is a problem with my company.
Okay. Now tell me one thing. Since how long you are working with this company?
No, actually, I have left the company. There was some problem with the company. Nowadays, I have left the company past
Okay. Now tell me one thing. When you joined that company, were you interviewed?
in 2017 December.
Whatever is the year. Were you interviewed?
Yes, sir.
They were having the minimum eligibility criteria that you should be graduate, this, that, all these things.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, please remember, friend, we have a perception like this. Friend, if a company want to do only give and take business, why they will have such kind of process for interview? Try to understand. Then they will hire anybody and they will send as a company representative and he will go and he will make a business talk कि हमको फलाने साहब ने भेजा है and Mr. Chadha has told me, sir, we are this is your packet and you. It is not there. It is our perception. See what happens when the business is not coming till the end of the month.
Sir, they are not only depending on the trading business, they are also side by side. They are pressurized to do the activities on the both sides. They are also pressurizing do the trading also at
See,
both in both the way. But they are no each and every person know the trading is there in the company, but they don't want to listen to that part. They only listen to they want only the they know nobody is perfect in the field. Nobody can be 100% perfect in the field. The medical remedy cannot be 100% in the field. Area manager cannot be 100% in the activity level. There must be some shortcoming in that part. So they are focusing on that. This brand is they are also pressurized in the meetings also. So this is the problem comes.
See, let me share with you what you are saying. I go with you as per your version. But what happens? The companies are having different mode of promotion, correct? And
Yes, sir.
it started back in 90s. And let me share with you in today's scenario, two, three very big companies, they started it and they very nicely came out of this kind of business, right? Now the thing is that at what level you will stop, that makes a lot of difference. Now, second thing is, when you are saying all these things, I'm sure you must be having in the company a doctor list also, a
Yes.
chemist list also, a call average requirement also, a coverage requirement also, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So if one is producing business with that as per the required level of numbers, then why companies will go for that? But see, please try to understand. They have put entire their future, their money, everything they have put. Their everything is at stake. Their name is at stake. So for their survival, sometimes they have to do. We should not say that it is every time company is wrong. Their practice may be wrong, but sometimes they do for their own survival. Sometimes they try to help you out so that you get established in the territory. See, this kind of business happens at the most from 5, 6, 7, 8, at the most from 10 doctors in any territory. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Doctor list is available minimum 150 doctors. So what's about remaining 140 doctors? If we can develop them as a prescriber, as a supporter, and then we say to the company, I don't require any investment in my territory. I think that will be the golden opportunity for you to develop yourself as a professional and to show the company that this way the business can be done, and you will be handpicked for the further responsibilities. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. Okay. Yes, Dr. Satish.
Yes. So there is one more question from Mr. Vijay Reddy. He's saying, sir, nowadays online business, online RX is not getting primary, secondary sales in same headquarter, except RCP and chain pharmacy business, not getting details what to do in that cases. I don't know what he want to ask because question is not very much clear.
Who is the person?
Mr. Vijay Reddy, can you come live and interact? That will be better because I'm not getting your question.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Yeah, Mr. Reddy, welcome.
Yeah, thank you, sir, for our valuable support. And sir, actually, my question is that nowadays is there most of the online prescription also started, and as many doctors as well as now chain link also like Apollo, MedPlus, and various companies came market. Okay, so we are not getting now same headquarters credit in such cases.
Correct.
So manage.
Which headquarter you are working, by the way?
I'm working for Bangalore headquarter as a metro city.
Okay. And in the position of?
As a ABM.
As a area manager.
Yeah.
Okay. But Bangalore, let me say you, this is a problem even when you work as a medical representative, that the exchange of prescription keeps happening. And but I will remind you only one thing: this is not a one-way traffic. This is two-way traffic also. If goes the prescription sale there, then comes also. And why don't you realize that most of the patients, they come for the treatment to Bangalore? So ideally, the business would have been credited to those territories, maybe Shimoga, maybe Tumkur, and all these kind of places. But it comes to Bangalore, no? So this is there, but it is not all that big chunk of business because mainly the business there in the territory only. Yes, there are patients coming from outside, and they are going and purchasing in their own places. That is there. But it is there. It is in the practice because I told you, no, it's a two-way. The patient is coming. Initial medicine is purchasing here, so that benefit also you got, no?
Sir, I have one question, sir. Digambar Manjule, sir. I have one question.
Yeah, Digambar.
Sir, I am working in Mumbai, covering area Western Mumbai.
Okay.
And sir, in my area, the online business is not there, sir. But the stockists are purchasing from the central Mumbai. And the central Mumbai ABM is every month doing budget because of online business. They are getting online around 6 to 7 lakh. And they are selling in Western also online because they are getting a 20% discount directly. And
you are working as a first line.
Yes, sir. I am a first line and working in Western Mumbai. And these online business are purchasing from central stockist.
I have attended Maharashtra as a zonal head, and the best way is that nowadays the better systems are available. You have to raise this issue, and nowadays the stockists give every nook and corner purchase they give, and you ask your boss that the business has to be contributed as per that.
Sir, I told my regional manager also, but this business are not getting to my regional manager also. Then I had discussed with my DSM. DSM told me this target is given by company from these people, but the whole is business is going to company. Target is divided by our people, and we all are one. So work
Okay.
on only prescription as per DSM what.
That is another problem, Igambar, because most of the time, till the time I'm not getting affected, I don't put my hands in that. Okay, that happens. So what you do to be safe side, you carry all such kind of data with you whenever you are going for business review meetings and all that. Okay.
Because sir, DSM sir is not listening because their DSM sir is having entire Mumbai
Let him
area.
not listen. These data you keep with you. If
Yes, sir.
any opportunity comes tomorrow and your this is showing that you should have in record, you should always with your monthly appraisal and that you should send this data to your bosses. What happens now? Most of the time, we as a professional, we avoid small activities. Now, if we have to write something, we have to put in record. We pick up the phone and we make a call. We don't even put a WhatsApp message for clarity. Do this. Make it a habit every month. At the end of the month, you write headquarter wise business, product wise business, and side by side you write that this was the business came to my territory, which could have been credited to me. But anyway, it is coming to the company, so I am happy for that. So my total business generation, demand generation was this much. You start doing
Sir,
this.
Aris company is there, sir. They have taken area-wise separate statement from their online business. They are getting around 2 lakh, 3 lakh business in Western line.
Yeah, that is the problem in Bombay. It's not today's problem. It's a what I will request you. You keep your record updated because if not today, tomorrow, day after, you are all called for any review, or there is any opportunity further for growth in your own company, and you are not being considered because of this reason. You have all data available month wise. Absolutely okay. So you take this from the stockist or CFA. They give locality wise sale, no problem. So you pick up only your locality sale, and you keep a record with yourself. Okay.
When I discuss with my regional manager, they said to discuss with DSM sir. When I discuss with DSM sir told you work on prescription, you work on your people. That's it.
I fully agree with you. This is the weakness of leadership. This is the point of time because what is happening? No, the overall business is coming. The regional manager is not getting affected whether you do or your neighbor is doing.
Regional managers are also affected, but DSM sir is entire Mumbai is there, sir. When it goes
he
to
is not getting affected. Correct.
Yes, DSM sir is not getting affected, sir.
Correct. So I will be attending this in my next of this webinar, this issue, the accountability role and responsibility for RSF. Then if you get time.
My view is, sir, give area wise.
No, you raise this issue, then we will attend this. When we go for RSM's role, responsibility, accountability, then we will attend this issue for better clarity. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
I appreciate your concern, and then you start keeping this record immediately. At least immediately, if you start, at least you will get for this year from April. Every month, whatever is your area of jurisdiction, you take the business detail for that particular. And you do one thing judiciously, you also credit to your, don't tell them, but you keep in terms of credit to your medical reps also, right? Up to that level you do.
Okay, sir, there is one more last question I think of the day we'll have because the session has gone quite long.
Okay.
And, this is from Sandeep Jaiswal. This is coming, and the question is, how can we, enter our products on online? Can you guide, sir? So it is out of the league question. I don't know. Would you like to address?
I am not the right person to guide for that.
Yeah. So that's why I was saying.
If we can get the question in detail, we can create a course on this also because this comes to digital literacy, how to enter online and everything about these things. So please connect with us in the WhatsApp group or message us separately. We will find out the problem and we will help in creating a course for you so that you can enter your products online. Mr. Sandeep?
Yeah, so one more thing, we have created wonderful courses, and sir has himself last week has provided us that long awaited courses on these 5 essentials, which are so important for the for whole of the sales hierarchy actually, right from the MR to the top level. So I'll just show you a glimpse of those courses so that they are free of cost. You can go and just do them. Even the ABM or the senior professionals of the industry, they can guide their subordinates to go and have a look over the courses. They go through that and learn various things out of that. So I'm just sharing my screen right now so that I can show you. Okay, so this is the screen. I think there is some issue.
Yeah, Facebook page is visible where we are live here. So some people were also asking about the recordings. So you can go to Facebook, type pharmastate.com, and this complete session will be available there. You can view it, watch it anytime, anywhere, and multiple number of times also.
Yeah, okay, I think now it is there, and this is the place where you have to visit. I have also provided the link in the chat box. You can just click or copy from there. This is simple: Pharmastate, our organization name, and .academy. So pharmastate.academy is the link. And when you go there, first of all, you will see all the interactive, these type of webinars, upcoming webinars, whatever is there, you will find here. So you can directly register anytime. Then the second thing is about the courses. When you go down and view all courses, then here you will find these courses available, right? So for example, how to deal with stress during pharma sales and marketing. And these are the 5 in continuation: how to generate days work plan, RCPA, doctor's call planning, meaningful input utilization, and closing of call. All the beautiful courses have been created, lot of knowledge in that, and certainly you are going to benefit out of it. So all are free right now at this moment. So I'll request to just go and visit and do these courses. It's very simple to enroll to these courses also. You don't have to pay at this time anything. The second thing, all the live webinars like this, the way you are attending today, are also available here on this page of the same website. So for example, this is our upcoming tomorrow's webinar, like how to deal with stress. It is at 11 tomorrow, so you can also attend this. If someone has not registered, you can also go and register it from here. So all lot of webinars lined up. So 8 or 9 webinars have been lined up. And whenever the new webinar is created, that is created here and we show it here. So this is the page where you can go and book your webinars and also do your courses. So that is all from my side. So sir, over to you, sir. Anything from your side, and then we can hand it over to Dr.
Thank you, Dr. Satish, and I thank to all the participants. I really appreciate their desire to learn better and perform better. I hand it over to Dr. Swati now.
Thank you, Mahen sir. Thank you, Satish. And thank you for a session which was actually activity, but more of productivity was there. And yes, we have to be positive. So this positivity series has been planned for you. We have to understand, we have to think, and we have to work, plan ahead before anything mishappening occurs. So join us again next week in the positivity series also. Tomorrow also we have a webinar. Plus, Mahen sir's webinar series, third webinar is there on in next weekend, and I will be posting the links in the WhatsApp group and even Facebook and LinkedIn. So follow us at all the media, and you will get links somewhere. Also, thank you all participants for joining us for a 2-hour session today, almost 2-hour session today. And thank you participants who interacted, who had those questions with you and you wanted to get the answers. That shows that until and unless you ask, you are not going to get the answers. So thank you all. Join us again on weekends. Thank you.